Me say me have a question tonight and only woman them can help me because I don't think the man them can have no answer for this. But one thing me really want to know. How it really come round. How it really come round to the point where it look like a definitely woman a mind man these days. I was really gone. Would I really want to get to the bottom of this and find out what really a go on? Because me I tell you say me no like it, no look good. It don't look good at all, at all, at all, at all. Would I want to know if who broke them bad or what, but nowadays it come like as you and a man get in a business, it come like you owe him or something, them start to look something right away. Hey, if a uno broke them bad, uno stop it. Uno stop it because you have some people who are into it and can't bother with it, and when they broke them bad, them just feel right all across the table. This a occur and all across the table because it not work with her like me. Back in the days, my grandmother used to tell me, say, when her husband used to work a wharf, when Friday day time come, him go work all week, you know. And when Friday day come, she go to wharf, collect him paycheck, pay what bills to pay, buy what need for buy and do what it is that it need for do. And that went on for years and that wasn't a problem in the relationship. Never next time again when you usually young and see some big woman and you just when you look, you see all them man come, you know, when them man come and give them one little something, you know, one little hairdresser bill him come pay, or one little money for do her nails or something else. Nowadays when a girl there hairdresser, when they see them man come to them out of the door, you never have to too fast because you know exactly how. 9 times out of 10 times I want money, him come look for go buy something for eat or something. And if the woman happen to drive and through him know she sit down at hairdresser long, if she have a vehicle, the car key ear him want. I mean, how to reach us up? How to really reach us up? I don't like it at all, at all, at all, at all, at all. The man them just sit down so. The man them decide for just big so. No just decide for mind them so. No buy everything them jars come down to everything. Alright, me not look out for a woman we keep a broke man in a cause. Me tell you when me a look smart, me definitely not say me a target a money man. I talk to some broke ass niggas sometime when I have dry shit and them buying. And you have to just know how to go around that. You can't help somebody if you're in a better position than them. But all of them, so you have also woman these days that go work, and when you hear from the shout the man, them a sit down now, you know. You know, back in the day when you have housewife, now you have house husband. You never know. House husband, because I tell you, say them their yard all day, the mind shop, they never cook. And them a gallivant game all day. I mean, TV, ganja spliff, and all the above, and you still have to come home and get, hey, oh, it come round to you, come like say, we definitely a mind man. You don't need to stop it. Me don't know if a karma, me don't know if a what, me don't know if I just feel with time no hour, but it's not a good look. It not really look good for really just alright, take up yourself, say a mind man. Give them what you can give them if you help them in a better position, you know, but no sir. You then can't just broke bad all across the board so them not do nothing for themselves. Them not try. If you help somebody get on them feet is a different thing. At some point at the other them have to get on them feet. But for just sit down and you have every responsibility, you go one dance, you have to try for buff buy for your heels, you have to try for buff for buy for your boot, and a mind chop a clocks and want for much in money or Air Force One. Look here. Anyway, anything cause the table for turn, me I beg you to turn it back round. Turn it back round because me no like it can't operate so. The man them fi find this. So some my time I don't know how some man sit down to make a man mind them to, you know. Me don't know how them do it because it does not look good. You're not supposed to feel like a man in yourself for everything you want your woman. You have to check for B, buy your food no. B, you know, buy your jeans no. I mean, really? Get yourself together man, that not look good at all.